Prepositions of place. In. The cat is sleeping in the basket. On. The book is on the table. Under. The train is under the bed. Above. The ball is above the box. Behind. The cat is hiding behind the box. Next to. The cat is next to the box. Between. The raccoon is between the boxes. Among. The raccoon is among the boxes. Near. Far. The cat is near the house. The cat is far from the house. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.